Okay, phase one is complete. Took me about an hour and a half, not even. I gotta go clean out that room, tidy up some wires, cut those cables hanging down from the inverter, add another 4 feet up to them. I gotta couple them together with my machine, shrink wrap them, move the battery box in, and then start hooking that up and hope everything goes well. Batteries are all above 50%, so it should be no issue. All right, more to come. Okay, I got the cables getting ready to go together. Just cut this one, got it in the coupler, crimp it on with a crimper, and then a double shrink wrap. That's the master cable. I'll be back. Okay, well, what do you know? It's about 4:30 p.m. Wednesday the 15th. I just completed hooking everything all up, quadruple checking everything. And what do you know? We're up and running. Everything's working just dandy. Pulling in almost 1600 on this guy and 2082 over here. Little blue blinky's going. I got all my power turned on. The freezer in here. Oh man, it was a long day. Had to add to those 4-gauge wires, figure out where they were going to go to work, and apparently they're working. I got the wires shielded pretty good. Batteries are charging. Oh, time for me to take a break. I'm up and running, generator's off. All right, I'm going to stop here. There'll be more to come. I'm going to put the door on and let my little dog out so she don't stick her nose in there and get electrified. Fantastic, finally. All right, more to come. I got a lot more cleaning up to do. That's it for now.